Welcome back to Meadow Street Media, Daytime Drinking, the weekly program where we review one new, unique alcoholic beverage. I am your host, Christopher LaRock. That's right, welcome back to Daytime Drinking, and happy Thanksgiving. Today, peanut butter whiskey by Bird Dog. Alright, let's take a look at this bottle first. As you can see, it has a cork in it instead of regular screw-on lid. I can't tell if it's real wood, but it might be veneer. It's always great to have a sharp knife handy. Ooh. It's 80 proof, baby. It's 80 proof. Shot glass. All right. That is good. This is pretty damn good. Peanut butter whiskey. By Bird Dog. Oh, I needed some jelly whiskey to go with it. Anyway, thank you again for joining us at Meadow Street Media and Daytime Drinking. Thank you again for joining us for another edition of Daytime Drinking and Meadow Street Media. Until next time.